Okay, well, let me show you what the problem is. We go to the back end here, and the tires look really nice, except if you feel them, and you really can't even see it all that much, but they are cupping. It's not a smooth wear. On the inside, they're cupping, and it's the same on the other side. That one is cupping too. So the tires are basically aging out, but that's what's causing all this road noise that I'm having. Otherwise, she looks pretty clean underneath. I don't see any rust. I don't see anything hanging loose. Now, is this suspension adjustable in the back? I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay, there's a swing arm. Is there any kind of adjustment back here? No, I don't think so. I don't see any cam pivot bolt or anything. So I guess this is just a plain trailing suspension back here. All right, well, we're getting it all squared away. Well, let me finish this video up on the RAV4. The solution was that it needed 2 new tires in the back, and the rear end needed to be aligned. So, because it's a front-wheel drive car, I like to put the new ones on the front and slap the old ones on the back. In case anybody's wondering, this is the before 4-wheel alignment picture, and there is the after. And that one back end being out of alignment, I don't know how they adjust it. But front tires on the back. This car has so little mileage that, what is the miles on this thing? Yeah, so little miles, the tires age out. Okay, 24,000, just 24,000 miles roughly, a little over. My God. This is a 2018, so you know, it's like 5 years old. So it's 5,000 miles a year. Oh, that's not much. Yeah, the tires age out instead of wear out. So again, 2 new cheapo tires, I think they're Hercules, and a 4-wheel alignment, and this puppy is ready for the road. It gets an oil change twice a year. I don't care what the mileage is. Yeah, looking good. And of course, as always, the Tundra looks fine. Got the Camry hiding up there, and yeah, the ranch is doing fine. Can't complain at all. Been rounding up chickens. That's about the hardest thing I have to do some days. Okay, well, it's a video. Road noise coming from your tires, and it's, you know, smartest thing to do is take it to the tire shop, let professionals look at it.